Welcome back to my channel. I'm Msquare Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to configure Tp Link WR850N router as access point mode for Mikrotik use or any kinds of extender use. Let's see. First of all, you just log in your Tp Link router using default IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. Then set a password which will be length 6 to 28 character, lower and upper limit use. I'm just setting admin password. After giving password, just click on let's get started. From here you just go to advanced option. From the left menu, here you can see operation mode. Just click on it and here you can see G mode, router, access point and range extender. I am select this access point mode and then press save and yes. After saving, your router will be reboot within short time. Just wait. After rebooting your router, just give here your previously set password, then tap on login. Here you can see, just click on operation mode. You can see access point mode has been selected. After that, click on wireless, then click on wireless settings. Here you can see network SSID. Put type here your network SSID, which one you want to set. I'm just typing here ASBD shop dash Wi-Fi. Then select security mode. I will select this no security. For this reason I am giving this and click on save. After saved, you just click on network, then click on LAN settings. Here you can see address type. I'll just select this smart DHCP, then save. Then from here you can see the SSID has been set and security has been disabled, which is none. That's it. I'm just log out and enjoy your router as access point. Thanks for watching.